This is where grapes become wine. 16 minutes, 120 scenes, one complete journey.
Okay everyone, the weather is clear. Get those bins loaded and let's power up the harvester. We start on the lower hills.
Capacity reached.
Dispatch, this is the South Block Hall. We're showing an ETA of 22 minutes to the crush pad. Over. Winery crush pad ready for reception.
Yes, the net weight for the Zinfandel load is 8,167 kilograms. I'm printing the receipt now.
Keep coming straight back. Easy now, easy. Okay, hold it right there. We're connected. It's clear. Keep it coming.
Confirmed. The hopper is taking the load.
The vibrating floor feeds the grapes into the destemmer crusher. The auger
Valve is open. We have a good flow rate into F14.
I've got F14 penciled in for the 22nd. Let logistics know we'll need the third press cleared by then.
Okay, I'll radio them now.
Yep, it's dry. Final numbers look good. We are ready for press.
Go ahead and open the valve on F14. We are ready to receive the red.
Tank F14 transfer to R22 is proceeding normally. Flow rate is optimal. We are seeing increased clarity now.
Okay, the settling was successful. The wine is approved for aging. Go ahead and start the transfer sequence.
Okay, this one is full. Shutting off the valve now.
Vineyard. Sensory evaluation confirms developed complexity with oak spice and vanilla.
The
The integrated oak is prominent, but the tannins are soft.
Agreed, the dark fruit and cedar notes are excellent.
Confirm with the lab.
Character A. Confirm retrieval of the customer order pallet. Bring it to the self-loading dock.
With the load secured, the Merlot begins its 8-hour journey to the distributor.
Another successful day of bottling.
Yes, the 2022 vintage is looking excellent.
The sensory profile is consistent with the barrel samples.
All parameters are within tolerance. Batch approved. Total cost per bottle is $8.47.
And the wholesale target is still 22.
Excellent. Let's approve the final batch for release.
This vintage is exceptional. It's a testament to the dedication of this incredible team, from the vineyard to the bottle.
Yes. And this is how modern wineries produce fine wine from vineyard to bottle, combining 170...
Since 1847, we have combined tradition with innovation. The 18-month journey from grape to bottle resulted in 128,230.
Years I've been doing this, and the challenges this season only made the final quality shine brighter. It's attentions.
This is the 2026 Merlot from the Private Reserve. Notice the beautiful garnet color and airfill. We see sustainability as integral.
We see sustainability by focusing on renewable energy and water reduction.
To sticks. Wine chemistry basics begin with fermentation, where glucose becomes ethanol and CO2.
Filming in a working winery meant constant coordination. We aim to show the genuine
All right, everyone, morning. Today we're hitting Block 7A. Target is 8 tons. Weather looks good, but remember your water and use the proper...
Precision technology confirms Block 7 and A has reached optimal ripeness.
Gondola is full, heading your way. Roger that, bring it to the main hopper. Watch your spacing back here, easy now.
We're looking for perfectly ripe, lignified stems to avoid any green vegetal character.
La chauffe est cruciale pour les arômes du vin. Regarde cette couleur. Oui, un médium plus, parfait pour un grand cru.
We monitor the malic acid levels closely. As you can see by the chromatography, the concentrations.
The unique ovoid shape creates natural convection currents, gently stirring the lees with
Bread. Since Roman times, these clay vessels have shaped wine.
The riddling process gradually tilts the bottles. Traditionally, this was manual labor.
We limit skin contact to just a few hours. Precise timing during the press cycle is
The aromatics are so complex. This technique, using the Cuivre, it's about valuing...
Sustainable viticulture relies on a holistic approach. By integrating cover crops and...
Notice the minerality here, that's the terroir coming through. We find it really complements shellfish. Any questions about the fermentation process?
We're seeing a fundamental shift in traditional growing regions.
It's an existential challenge. It was a clear progression from the viticulture program through internships and finally to the head enologist role.
It's a holistic approach. We use specific composts and time everything according to the astronomical calendar.
Global wine production blends centuries-old tradition in the old world with innovation.
Line is clear, pressure looks good. Copy that, initiating flow from tank 7. Labels confirmed for the Merlot run.
Pallet scanned and secured at location A3. Inventory updated.
Over.
This vintage pairs beautifully with the local cuisine.
I'll take 2 cases for the restaurant.
This is absolutely perfect. Do you remember visiting the vineyard back in 27?
I do. The aging was definitely worth it. The complexity is stunning.
The wine industry generates significant economic impact beyond direct winery revenue.
Notice the deep ruby color, indicating a cooler climate. On the nose, pronounced notes of blackcurrant and cedar. Selling the Chateau Margaux at £25,000.
As you can see, the data demonstrates that fine wine offers significant gains. The 2026 Merlot really stood out, 89 points for its balance and character.
While moderate consumption of a 5-ounce serving may show benefits, it's essential to consider the
wine, a cultural achievement worthy of celebration across the globe.
Cheers! Santé! Prost! The sensory panel confirms no defects, and dissolved oxygen is below.
Hi, this will pictures.
The 2026 Merlot is exceptional. The quality to price ratio is unmatched.
As you can see, the variation across these 3 years is significant. The 2024 is lean.
Our fermentation performance was excellent this year, thanks to the temperature controls.
But the bottling line downturned.
We must respect the traditions of the chateau, but embrace sustainability for the next generation.
All documentation is complete, Monsieur Dubois.
The 99.4% bottling rate confirms our targets were
To the 2026 Merlot, we exceeded all projections, and the feedback has been incredible.
Ensure all straps are secured tightly.
Driver, confirm the manifest at exactly 5 degrees Celsius.
And this is how modern wineries produce fine wine from vineyard to bottle, combining centuries of tradition